Hello everyone and welcome back to another reaction video. Today we are checking out opening for the Chainsaw Man anime. This was one of the openings that was in the top 100 openings compilation, and I also believe this is one of the show like Spike's Family that was it is very popular. So yeah, I'm here to check out the opening in its full glory. But after that, in the next video, I will also check out the endings, where I guess it gets a little more interesting, because this particular anime has 12 episodes, I would assume, right? And it has 12 endings. So for each episode, it's a different ending kind of going on. So I am curious of the endings. So yeah, be sure to check that one out after this one. So yeah, without further ado, it will be covered up in the description below. Link to this video, sync it up with me if you want to. If you want to see the full uncut reaction on my Patreon, in the description below. That's it. Let's go. Okay. Oh. Interesting animation style, even though I would assume there is more than one animation style going on. This is the drop I heard in the compilation. Okay, I believe this anime took internet by the storm. This was a crazy opening. It had a lot, and I totally understand if I missed up 90% of everything. I'll just say the drop is very nice. Animation looks like I don't know, it looked like it was changing all the time. Like a 2D, 3D, or I would say, or maybe CGI, 2D into CGI animation, a lot. Or maybe the opening, it was just that artistic. Okay. The story, okay, some group of characters. And, yeah, we have a Chainsaw Man. It's literally what it sounds. I assume it's the blonde guy, very interesting teeth, and can be transformed, or it has chainsaw on the head and as the arms. And then we have other characters that also have some sort of abilities, let's say that. I'm not sure what are we fighting. It looked some kind of abominations, demons maybe. I have no idea what to think of this. Hopefully the endings will give me a little more of a picture. Definitely if every episode ends on a different ending, then that really intrigues me. So I don't know. For the opening here, I can just describe it as crazy. Let's say that. I do like it, but I'm not sure if I do like it. I don't know, it kinda I'm kinda not sure about it. Crazy, but not sure if I like it, kind of thing. I don't know if that makes sense. But yeah, if you like this one, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Click the bell for notifications to be informed of my reaction on the endings. And maybe other things, gameplays, reviews that I do on the channel. And yeah, or other things that you put in the comments below for me to check out, that also counts. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!